honestly, पूछो तो every birthday I don't expect to feel so important. और खासकर पता नहीं इस साल क्यों because I think my last release Agnipath was 1 year ago. So I was thinking, this birthday will sort of be, of course, special, but it's more special than I had expected it. I didn't know I was still so important, but I'm feeling great. And thank you all for these wonderful wishes and for just being here. Yeah, but that surprise party, I think people got to know of the party before I did, and it was in the papers. So I asked her, what is this yacht? And she said, no, kuch nahi hai wo. But of course I knew that. So much for that surprise. But it was fun. It was nice. Every time you say that to somebody that you're looking younger by the day, that means they are growing older. So thank you for reminding me that I'm growing older. But thank you. My mantra is, I don't think there is a mantra to it. 2013 में मेरी इकलौती फिल्म है क्रिश 3, जिसके पीछे हम लोग कुछ 5 साल से आई थिंक वी आर आफ्टर दैट फिल्म. सो still a long way to go. A lot of special effects are still left, and hopefully this Diwali we will know whether we stand victorious or not. God bless. Fingers crossed. They better be looking forward to Krish. Yeah, of course. That is what has motivated us to go beyond our own boundaries, and we thought that we can make the film this big. Then we said, why not? Let's try it like this. And now it's like gone beyond even our imagination. So it is really a film that is very scary, and it's been the toughest challenge. I know I say this for every film, but it is true, believe me. This one has been the toughest ever, and it's still not over. बहुत सच है, बिकॉज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. क्रिश की जो लुक है इन एनी फिल्म एक्चुअली इट इज़ when you create something you want it to be presented the way you want it to be seen at the right time. तो उस टाइम के पहले now you can imagine Krish is a superhero. तो अगर continuity still किसी candid कैमरा से अगर आपने फोटो ले ली और छप गई और क्रिश बैठा हुआ है ऐसा लेज कर रहा है, कुछ पेट पे हाथ है ऐसा, तो it destroys the whole feeling of and of course on the set as Krish I do get tired and I might have sat like this. So if somebody gets a picture like that, it's not fair, it just spoils it, na? So I'm not used to making any resolutions, because I think resolutions, when you make them, they are made to be broken. Rules, when you make a rule, you will break it. I think you should just make up your mind every sunrise and try to achieve whatever you want for that day till your sunset. That's your whole life, from sunrise to sunset. So no, I've not made any resolutions. I just make sure every day is a day well spent, so that I can sleep well in the night, so that I'm tired enough so I can just knock out. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.